Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're working on the Supra again today. So I had Dave stop by, see here, and so I need to fix this. So I wasn't thinking I was gonna get Dave to come tack those up and then cut them all off. Dave needs me to cut these off so that it's corner to corner. He also needs me to grind some of the paint back, because the paint's gonna mess up the welding, and I need to get inside and take a 1/4 inch of paint off, you know what I mean, a 1/4 inch up all the way along on the inside. So I'm gonna get this ready for Dave, and hopefully he can come and weld that up for us, so we can get it going. So I'm gonna work on that today, and then hopefully maybe I'll get a last wipe down. I might see if I can't get inside the engine bay and just clean up some of the grit. All right, tidy some of that up with an actual wipe down, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna work on today. So there it is, like Dave requested here. That there is going to meet, see if I can get it to focus here, guys. That'll meet right dead on there. Dave's going to throw a TIG weld across there, right on there. We grounded on the top, we ground along the outside, I've ground along the inside, and I've ground along the bottom. Dave just doesn't want the paint. He said the paint will pop and crack, which could cause holes and stuff like that when he's painting or when he's welding, and we definitely don't want that. So go along, do a little bit of extra prep. Everything lines up nice. We'll take it all in, and yeah, away we go. That's that side there. So yeah, so I'm gonna make a little piece. I'm gonna cut it out of this here. Was the stock fender, the piece that we cut out, and I'm gonna cut a piece out of there just to weld in here. We're gonna take it in there, and then this is rubber down in here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm gonna take that rubber out of there, and then Dave's just gonna fill that in with weld so that the whole thing all the way along is same thing over here. We're gonna weld this in just a little piece and then dig that rubber out. Dave's gonna weld that up so everything's solid. So that's that. I'm gonna go over and do the other side. Again, the other side's probably gonna go a little bit quicker because I know what I'm doing now. And yeah, get it all done. All right, so got this side done too here now. It's all ground down underneath and on top. So Dave should be able to come and weld that. So, for those of you that are new to the channel here, we're just doing some body work on the 97 Toyota Supra. We're building it. It's a Veilside 4509 GTR kit that's going on it. And when we're done, we're giving it away to one lucky subscriber. So this is the body kit here that's going on it. See here. I'm just mocking it up right now. It's sitting on the ground. I just kind of got it clamped together to get an idea of different things and how I'm going to fasten it together. But that is that's another video. Maybe I'll get that video up for tomorrow. But yeah, if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification button. We put up a video. Try and get them up daily. I don't think I got one up yesterday. But yeah, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, all that stuff for your chance to win it.